Well now, welcome to our room. 81003 at the Azul Sensatori in Negril. So this is the prestige area, adults only. Nice couch, our king-size bed, TV, little table. It was nice of them to give us some champagne. Now what's helpful here, not only do we have a closet for me, including our safe, there's a closet for her. Oh look, they filled the minibar. Coffee machine. Bathroom, toilet, shower, and the sink. Then the other thing about our room is that we requested, helps if I take the lock off, the swim up. This is our view. And there's another bar right over there. I like this room a lot.